I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Excel setting Reset Easy Guide. Open Excel and go to File, choose Options, then select Advanced and scroll to General to find Reset Controls. Click Reset to Defaults and confirm the prompt, then restart Excel so changes take effect. After restarting, create a new workbook and test key features. If settings did not restore, I will show additional repair steps you can try next. Before you reset, always back up customizations to avoid losing work. Export ribbon and quick access toolbar layouts and save normal templates or custom add-ins to a backup folder. If you use registry tweaks for Excel, export those specific keys or settings so you can restore them later. These simple backups make recovery painless and protect complex configurations from accidental loss during the reset process. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like the video to support more tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. It pairs nicely with long spreadsheet sessions. I've put the link and extra deals in the description so you can check them out after watching. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Many resets solve common glitches, but some problems need extra steps. If behavior persists, run an office repair from Control Panel or Settings, and temporarily disable all add-ins to identify conflicts. Clear the Excel cache and ensure CloudSync templates are updated or removed if they reintroduce old settings. I'll guide you through each troubleshooting action so you can confirm the root cause and restore a clean, predictable Excel environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.